Installing modern furniture in your kitchen. When you move into a home, you may want to customize the look of it. One area, in particular, that is ideal to consider altering is the kitchen. The kitchen is used on a daily basis, so it's important that it looks unique and is in good condition. With the modern kitchen ideas listed below, you will be able to create the perfect place to cook and eat every day. For furniture design, you can install a glass dining room table. These tables come in many different sizes, depending on how big your modern kitchen is going to be. Glass tables will give your kitchen a modern design, creating an elegant place to eat and share meals with your family. A lot of these glass tables feature a beveled edge, so you don't have to worry about anyone in your family getting hurt by the glass tables. Glass dining tables will create a sophisticated look for your home's kitchen, and they come in many different shapes. Another type of dining room table that is ideal to install in your modern kitchen is a wood dining table. Wood comes in many different finishes, depending on your personal preference. You can make the wood table match other pieces in your modern kitchen, creating a cohesive look that you can be proud of. Wood tables are often treated with special chemicals, making them last a lot longer. Even if water gets on them, they will not get damaged. This allows the wooden tables to retain their form and beautiful, elegant color. In terms of furniture design, there are many modern chairs you can buy for your home. Patent side chairs are ideal because they feature elegant designs, and they are extremely comfortable to sit in. These chairs have ample cushion, so even if you are sitting for hours, you will be able to remain comfortable. A lot of these chairs come in pairs, allowing you to have plenty of chairs for your family to sit in. For a dynamic modern patent side chair, you can select one that swivels. This makes it easy to find the perfect position when sitting at the dining room table.